Okay, here we are, just continuing with network configurations. Remember that our subject is not configuring networks. This is just a review, and we are preparing the infrastructure to create a network where we can install some services. Okay, so first of all, I want to introduce you to a new network configuration. So we will, in the next videos, in the first next steps, try to configure everything so it works well. Okay, so first of all, I want to show you this diagram where appeared one virtual machine, which is a server, and another virtual machine, which is a client. Okay, so we will start installing some services in this server that can be served to these clients. This client will ask for something to this server and it will deliver. Okay, it will respond. So we will start with two basic services that are DHCP, and also we want this computer to go to the outside, okay, to go to the internet. So we have to configure this computer also as a router, because it's going to route the elements from here to this other network, okay, from the internal network to the other network that is our computer's network, okay, which will go to the internet. So first of all, we will try to configure well network interfaces, and we will try to answer some questions that we will realize while we are trying to configure it all. So we will go here to VirtualBox. Remember that we have two different machines, Debian server and Debian client for us. Okay, no, sorry, yes, like this. And I have to close always this warnings. Client here on the right, server here on the left. Sorry, I think. Yes. And in the other, the same. Okay. Remember the configuration. So, nano, etc, network, interfaces. Okay, this is the client, the server, okay. So in DHCP we don't need to configure anything else. Okay, we will just put here a little explanation. Okay, the secondary network there is internal network. Okay, and we have this address. This computer has everything well configured, because DHCP, there in my house, the router is well configured, so we can let you a good network configuration. But in the client we have to specify more things. Okay, we just have one address and think about going to the internet. So it needs a gateway. First of all, remember that any address is not complete without a net mask. Okay, so 255, sorry, 0. That's the gateway, and we don't have then DNS servers. Okay, so what else should we have? Commonly, most times we don't need nothing else, just name server. I think this is how we install everything. Yes, I think it will work well. Okay, so yes, etc working, restore. Okay, we have a problem. I think the DNS name server is bad here. Yes, and now it's working. We can see this up, and it's 192.168.23. Okay. In the other one, we also had the net mask. Bad configured. Wrong. It's not okay. So we will put it correct. And that's it. Okay. Oh, I have. So we have both of them well configured. Okay, now it's working. They are all down. We have to. You'll have to check this all the time. Okay, it's like this. It's like it is. That's the way it is. It's you have to do it. M0 3, and we'll have to do the same thing to the other network adapter. Okay. This is not something that you need to learn. Sometimes you will find this kind of computers, and you need to do it on Linux, and just manage some commands. Okay, we have other kinds of other ways to configure a network adapter, like NetPlan and these others, but well, we will start and we will learn this one. Okay, N088 S8, and it will work, I think. Okay, so it is done. Okay, they all are up. 1 and 2, 168, 0, 3. Sorry, 20, 23, and it's working. Okay, so now what we need to do is to change this client configuration, because we don't want to get a connection with this. We will put it all static with DHCP. So if we want to use a DHCP server in this computer, where is it going to be? It is going to be in this computer. We will install the first service, which will be DHCP server, and we will start with that with ISC DHCP server, because it's very easy, very simple, and we have to understand it well. So this was a little approximation, and in the next video we will start to configure ISC DHCP server. We will explain what a DHCP server is, and we will try to focus on the main differences between one file and others, the configuration of it all. Okay, so see you in the next video.